Doctors and parents, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Today in this session, we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG 2023 All India Round 3 result. The expected date, that exactly when your result can be published, and as per the latest information or the latest notification on MCC website, that what gonna possibility is that after this revised cutoff, and we also gonna discuss about the NEET PG 2023 revised cutoff and the rumors multiple which are continuously spreading. This is the reason, that's the reason. So complete details will be discussed in this video, as well as the possibilities of that, whether your eligibility will be for round 3 or not, and if not, then why not, and if yes, then what can be the options for you. So these details will be covered up in this video. Before that, if you are new on this channel, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, as well as if you haven't joined our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do join it, because whatever the latest update, the information bulletin, the PDFs and the counseling schedules, we are continuously posting there on topics which we can't make the video, we are posting there. So if you haven't joined it, do join it. As well as if you're looking for a NEET PG 2023 revised cutoff, then we have clearly created a WhatsApp community group where your contact details won't be visible to others. The link is already in comment section, we have pinned it. You can join it from also there. Mainly in this video, if I talk about the All India Round 3 result, which was expected to come on the 16th of September, but today is already your 18th of September, the notification or the result has not been declared till now. As well as in our previous video of the revised cutoff, we have already mentioned that NEET PG 2023 revised cutoff is expected to come on 17, 18, 19 or in around that, if no further changes are did in the counseling schedule itself. Right now, just 30 minutes back, MCC has put information on their website on the scrolling section that the further steps or the further action for your round 3 will be declared very soon, and the notification will be put soon. From here, two possibilities are getting rise up, and that possibilities clearly mentioned. And before that, I am clearing you that if you are waiting for a NEET PG 2023 revised cutoff, no need to worry at all, no need to panic at all, but be safe from for the rumors, because rumors are getting spreaded every year. It's not a new, but you have to be healthy and be safe from that. Revised cutoff will be there, no need to panic, no need to worry at all. Baat kare, the possibilities are there. The first possibilities is there for the round 3, and the multiple people are voting. Even we as a team Admission Media, and we are also wanting the same thing. The possibilities first is that in the round 3, your registration, the revised cutoff will be published. Your registration form, choice filling form, registration and payment schedule will be again open. Means they will be rescheduling your round 3 again. मतलब कि revised cutoff publish की जाएगी, round 3 में registration, choice filling process open किया जाएगा. और ऐसा होता है तो NRI अपलोडेशन के लिए, that is जो इनकी email ID पोर्टल रहती है उसको भी एक्टिवेट किया जाएगा. एंड अगेन आप NRI कन्वर्जन की लिस्ट अगेन रिलीज की जाएगी. उसके अकॉर्डिंग मोस्ट प्रॉबली सारे कैंडिडेट्स के लिए चॉइस फिलिंग ओपन की जाएगी, एंड इसके अकॉर्डिंग एक नया रिजल्ट आएगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपकी काउंसलिंग प्रोसीड करेगी. फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी इज वेरी सिंपल, रजिस्ट्रेशन और चॉइस फिलिंग ओपन किया जाएगा, पेमेंट फैसिलिटी अगेन प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. जितने नए एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स आएंगे, दोज कैंडिडेट्स हु विल बी गेटिंग इन एलिजिबिलिटी इन दिस रिवाइज कट ऑफ, अगेन फॉर देम अ न्यू विंडो विल बी ओपन. ये सारे कैंडिडेट्स अपने रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे, पेमेंट करेंगे, NRI फैसिलिटी भी इनको अप्लाई की जाएगी, मतलब कि NRI कन्वर्जन भी ओपन किया जाएगा और नई लिस्ट आएगी, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपकी राउंड 3 की फ्रेश चॉइस फिलिंग होगी, एंड एज पर दैट द प्रोविजनल एंड द फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी देयर. एंड इट इज पॉसिबल ऑल्सो, एंड इवन एवरीवन इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फॉर द सेम. बट हियर कम्स द सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑल्सो. एक और पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है यहाँ पे. The main reason why I am discussing is that the second possibility is also there. The main cause or the main problem or the Supreme Court case or which is be filed, main reason इसका क्या है कि PWD या कैटेगरी की सीट्स की जो कन्वर्जन होगी, the seats conversion of category or the PW seats will be done in the round 3, and due to that the possibility, due to this the problem will be raised, because PWD कैंडिडेट्स और ST कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जो बेनिफिट मिल सकता था कट ऑफ रिविजन के बाद, वो उनको नहीं मिल पाएगा, क्योंकि सीटें इनकी वैकेंट हो जाएंगी या सीटें ऑलरेडी कन्वर्ट करके अलॉट कर दी जाएंगी. सो द सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट MCC come up with a notification in which they can mention that the conversion of seats won't be available in the round 3, it will be done in the round 4 as it was done earlier also. मतलब कि जो कन्वर्जन होगी आपकी सीट्स की वो थर्ड राउंड में न करके फोर्थ राउंड में किया जाएगा, डेट इज हिस्ट्री राउंड में किया जाएगा. अगर ये नोटिफिकेशन एमसीसी पुटअप करती है तो ये जो कोर्ट केस या जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट केस की बात की जा रही थी, पीडब्ल्यूडी के लिए बात की जा रही थी, ये केस ऑलरेडी आपका डिसमिस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दे विल क्लियरली क्लेम कि आपकी सीटों को कन्वर्जन हम लास्ट राउंड में करेंगे, फोर्थ राउंड में करेंगे. एंड इफ दिस हैपेंस देन व्हाट विल हैपन, द राउंड 3 प्रोविजनल एज वेल एज द फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी देयर and revised cutoff will be also there, and you will be getting eligibility to participate in the fourth, that is the stay round of counseling. ये possibilities भी हो सकती हैं. I am not claiming कि either first one होगा और second होगा. Both options are getting available from the MCC notification itself. दोनों chances हो सकते हैं. Exactly MCC what will do, that's a question of matter, and very soon the notification as well the schedule and everything will be there. So हम दोनों के according अपनी चीज़ों को लेके चल सकते हैं. Again a new thing is happening, or the again new thing is there. The people or the some I have didn't seen that the multiple message has been received to me. They are claiming that the Maharashtra State Counseling has rescheduled or postponed their counseling due to the new registration of fresh choice filling or the stretch in All India round 3. Possibilities it can be also, but the main reason for this is something else. Let me tell you the main reason why Maharashtra is postponed their round 3 registration, which was starting from today. If you go at the Maharashtra State Counseling, the CTCL website, just visit to page in their information bulletin, visit to the page number 29. In the D section, they have mentioned in the eligibility form, they have mentioned candidates non-eligible for the round 3. Those candidates who are non-eligible for the round 3, in the second option it has been mentioned candidate who have joined a seat in round 1, round 2 and or allotted a seat in round 3 of all India quota seats. So राउंड 3 स्ट्रेच होगा, इसकी वजह से भी महाराष्ट्र स्टेट की काउंसलिंग को राउंड 3 की काउंसलिंग को पोस्टपोन किया गया. इट कैन बी अ रीजन, बट द मेन रीजन इज दैट कि महाराष्ट्र हैज स्टेटेड इफ यू हैव गॉट एनी अलॉटमेंट इन योर ऑल इंडिया राउंड 3 you will be non-eligible for their state counseling, that is state round 3. Till now, round 3 result has not been here. So how Maharashtra state they want to start their counseling? Because they have to eliminate every candidate who have already got a allotment in their all India seat, that is all India round 3. So the main reason इसका यही है कि all India की जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आ जाती, ये कैंडिडेट्स की लिस्ट MSCT को नहीं पहुंच जाती, वो कैसे अपने काउंसलिंग या रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस को बिगिन कर सकते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कट ऑफ या रिवीजन की वजह से या काउंसलिंग स्ट्रेच की जाएगी या राउंड 3 के काउंसलिंग को अपडेट किया जाएगा उसकी वजह से नहीं हो सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स इट कैन बी ऑल्सो अ रीजन, बट द मेजर रीजन विच इज सीइंग टू बी वैलिड राइट नाउ इज दैट कि राउंड 3 में सारे कैंडिडेट्स को एलिमिनेट करना है जिनको ऑल इंडिया में सीट मिल जाएगी. इस वजह से जब तक ये लिस्ट इनके पास नहीं मिलेंगी, हाउ दे कैन स्टार्ट द रजिस्ट्रेशन और द पेमेंट फैसिलिटी व्हेन द लिस्ट इज नॉट अवेलेबल. सो ये मेन रीजन हो सकता है हमारे अकॉर्डिंग. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, या आपके कोई और सुझाव हैं या कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन है, या इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशन डू लेट मी एवरीथिंग. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द रूमर्स, ये हर साल की चीज़ है, आपको इनसे बच के रहना पड़ेगा. इवन yesterday I have seen a complete NB letter itself, cut off revision हो गया है, this much has been, but that was a fake letter. We have already mentioned in our Telegram channel also that the QR code is from last year itself, so someone has edited the letter and did the things. Till now the no official notification has been published for your revised cutoff, but it doesn't mean revised cutoff won't come or it will be less from the last year. We have already posted 2 videos. In first video, we have already discussed that why it can be up to this much, what can be the possibilities of revised cutoff, up to what rank people can be eligible. In the second video, we have discussed the reason behind it, that exactly what are the main reason or the main cause that the revised cutoff has not been published till now and the round 3 is yet happened also. 2 possibilities होती हैं, वो मैंने already clear कर दिया. For the more details, for the more information, stay connected with us. For the don't be in the fake rumors, because we won't be doing that. If you liking that, that's why people are happening these things. Stay away from this. जो भी नोटिफिकेशन होगी, जो भी चीज़ें होगी, आपको वेबसाइट पे भी मिलेगी एंड वी विल बी ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग. बट एट द मीन टाइम, इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर हायर क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेज एट जस्ट एलिजिबिलिटी स्कोर और इवन आफ्टर दिस रिवाइज cutoff, if you are planning for a higher clinical branches, then how to proceed for it, how to get a higher clinical branches at low budget, whether the negotiation will be there or not, what can be we can do for you. If you're looking for radioderma medicine or any branch, how to proceed for all those details, you can avail our premium counseling services. In that, we gonna assure you your branch as per your budget, as per your things, as per the guideline, as per the Supreme Court rules and regulations. So we won't be any booking any seat and we won't be doing anything, but seat will be allotted to you. That's our headache, that how you will be getting a seat, and we are very good at the job. We will do it. So if you're looking for a paid or premium counseling services, you can avail about the details and everything on our website admissionmedia.in. For more details or if you have any query, you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545 95519. For this is it in this video. Thank you, and thank you so much for watching this video.